Okay, so once you have purchased your course, whether initially you should have been prompted to create a user password the moment that you signed up. So you will go to log in to get started, and this is for you to access your actual course. So this is how it will look. Any courses that you are taking, you will have access to them. If you do not, when you go to the login, you can actually select the option to reset your password. So here you can say reset, I forgot your password, and it will automatically prompt you use the email that you signed up for, and you'll be able to log into that particular course. Now, because this course is not is right now, it's not going to be open until the day of the course. But in that course, you're going to be able to see certain things on the back end side. So I'm going to show you what does that look like. Okay, so once you are able to log into the course on the morning of May 3rd, you'll be able to access the lecture notes. So this is, do not be intimidated. It is 13 pages, but I tend to just give a lot of information. I try to explain things as much as possible. So you'll be able to download this and, have that available. This will not be a lecture style where I would just have PowerPoint. I will actually be sharing my screen. We'll be working in Excel. So you do not have to worry about me just talking to you. This will be interactive. Depending on the size of the class, you will be able to ask questions, most definitely. But also, if you feel comfortable and you really have a pressing question, you will also be able to go and share your screen, and I'll be able to walk you through so that you can actually practice and know that you're able to successfully complete certain components. The Zoom information is also here. So again, we recommend that you log into a computer, preferably a Windows or Mac. Chromebooks are available, but I will tell you now, using the web version for Office 365 does have limitations, but I will explain those limitations at the very beginning of the course. Yes, this will be recorded, so you'll be able to access the recording, and there will be an assessment available at the end. I will be posting in the group when we're going to have the office hour. For this first class, I do have to change that date due to other obligations, but I will make sure that you will have access to me one more day where you can pop in, ask questions, and do things of that nature. When you finish, you will receive a certification. So if you attend the class and you also or watch the video, complete the assessment and complete everything here, you will receive a certification stating that you just completed the different Excel for beginners. So this is how the class is going to operate. We're going to utilize Zoom. We will start promptly at 6 p.m. We will go until about 8:30, maybe 9 o'clock, depending on you, your questions, how engaged you are. We will take a short break just to kind of, get away from the computer for a little bit and kind of refresh our minds and then come back and just finish out. So I hope and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow in our class. Please come ready, have your water, have your snacks, and just be excited about having a lot of fun. I try to make Excel and just these classes as exciting as possible because it can be a little challenging and intimidating, but don't be intimidated. All right, I look forward to seeing you. Have a good one. Be well, be blessed.